Hello everyone, today is another tutorial on CapCut. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a smooth sync and adding motion to your video. So first of all, we're going to go to CapCut, click on new project, tap on the video we want to use. For example, this is the video clip I want to use. Please, it must be a moving clip for the sake of this tutorial. So here guys, I'm going to get the music I want. So I'm going to just scroll down and just pick a song I need for this tutorial. So guys, I'm going to pick this sound to add to them, import it down to here. Then as you can see, I've moved it. So first of all, we are going to edit, cut out the extras. That's the extra of the CapCut and the sound, which is the extra. I have cut it out. So the next one do is to tap on the music track, where that button, that's the music track. Then go to beats. When it's your beat will show up. So mine is already on auto. If you want, you click auto. Mostly I use auto. So after you add auto, it's going to generate all the beats in the sound. This also help you to create trending beats, sounds, work on sounds and all that on TikTok, on any viral template. This is how to make them. So we have added our beats. You can see all those yellow dots on it. That's the beat in the song. It's indicated. So what we're going to do is to split or just exact align your this thing you're splitting with the yellow dot. That's the beat. So after aligning, we're going to split them, split and split as many as you can. If you want it smaller or you want bigger, you want it anyhow you want it. So just for you to understand, we're going to split so many ones. As you can see, I've already splitted them. So now let us see I'm still splitting more. This you can use it to create templates of your own. Maybe get a trendy song, you do it this way, you upload it with a template, you start trending, you cash out with it. When people loves when a trendy song has a template, they like, so you can just create something like this for yourself. So now we are going to start working on the clip one by one. So this is the first clip. We are going to go to straight to we're going to go straight to edit, which is speed. First of all, I'm going to work on the speed. If you like, you customize it yourself or you work with this available ones. So I'm going to use jump cuts. This jump, I'm going to apply it on this first clip. The second clip, I'm going to still do the same thing. I'm going to go to speed, click on curve, then pick on any one I want, you see. So this is how you're going to repeat this method in all the video clips you splitted. You're going to repeat this on all the clips you split. So after that, so let's just watch I did it. So there we have velocity. Velocity is also actually good. So here I'm going to try this flash, velocity flash also. I'm going to apply it. So guys, as I said before, if there's a new trendy song and you want to like cash out with it, you can just create something simple, a very nice template, you drop it. People start using a template. So guys, you see, I have gotten an even to like escape copyright. I've already done video on how to escape copyright. You can personalize it. So did you say I've worked on all the video, going to still adjust the audio to suit with the video. So let's take a preview of the video. But before we make preview, let's now still go to animation or transition. It depends on what's your CapCut. You can have animation or transition. For me, I have animation. So I'm going to go on see this velocity is really good. You see our velocity is very nice. See the slow-mo, very smooth. You can create your own templates like this and start cashing out. So guys, now let's go to effects. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to use this stack ripple on my video to give it a very catchy animation where you see, oh, this is nice, let me watch it, So I'm going to give the beginning something very catchy like this. This is I applied on the first clip. Then I'm going to click on the second clip again to give it an animation. This is, did you see? So I've already gotten that I want, but I'm going to go around all the clips, start adding little, not doing too much, not too busy. So let's check this again. I had zoom lens. I wanted this slow-mo to zoom a little bit. Did you see? Okay. So we've added that effect on that clip. I'm just doing this so you can see. So you can do all this so you can create your own template and start casting out. Now let's check how it's going to, let's check the preview though. So let's add text to the let's add text, after you have done your edit and all that. Then let's add text to the video. So I'm going to title this CapCut edit, right? So after you click on templates, so under templates, I wanted to use something like title so it can be a little bit bold. So I use this sample, welcome to my channel sample, for the CapCut edit template. That's the write-up for the video. So make sure when you're getting, if you want your template to be catchy, make sure that your write-up is something that, oh, this is CapCut. Those that are interested in CapCut can actually jump into it. So that is why I use this CapCut edit. So I moved it to, I don't want you to like cover the video, just short. So this is a CapCut edit. So see, I had a tutorial, CapCut edit tutorial, then I split it, zoom in so it will fit into the video. So guys,